Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mike from Mike's Garage, and today I got something pretty cool for you. I don't have a repair video today, but I do have a tool review video, and if you've read the description below, you obviously already know what it's about. But before we jump into it, don't forget to go to my Instagram, Fire Truck Mechanic. Don't forget to follow me there. And also on the YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave a comment. If you've been paying attention on the Instagram recently, you've realized that I have teamed up with OLSA Tools to review some of their products. And I gotta be honest, the things they sent me, pretty good. I'm very excited about this. The thing I'm about to show you here. So let's just jump right into it. OLSA sent me the Ratcheting adjustable Crescent wrench. This thing is very cool, and I gotta be honest, I love it. It is a very good tool, very handy. Came in handy. So I've had it for about a month now, and there's some pros and cons to it. We're gonna jump right into it here, but I want to let you guys know overall I'm pretty much blown away. I've never seen a tool like this, a ratcheting Crescent wrench. It just doesn't make any sense to me. I still don't know how it works. It's probably magic. They probably have some wizards over there throwing some things together. I don't know. I don't get it, so don't ask me how it works. I do build fire trucks, and this still blows me away. So, but for real, no. So we're gonna jump right into it here. So this is the wrench. I mean, it's nice. It looks pretty cool. As soon as I saw it online, I was very excited that I realized that they were gonna send me this. It's solid. So I've had this for about a month. We're gonna open it up all the way. I want to show you the inside, and I've been using this every day in the shop, whether it be on fire truck, in alignment, things like that. Airlines, I use a lot on airlines, oil lines, things like that. Just a lot of bigger things I use this on. One negative that I'm gonna jump right into right away. I wish it had more sizes. I'm gonna call that a negative because it's the only downfall I found out about this thing. I wish they had bigger ones. I wish they had smaller ones. But as you can see inside, if you can see, there is no chips or anything on the finish. I've been using this, like I said, for about a month, and I dropped it, and I'm gonna be honest, I've tried to break this thing. I've done everything in my power to beat the crap out of this as hard as I can. Nothing. This thing is amazing. I'm very excited. So if you can see on the outside, you can see they have the numbers, so you can see what sizes you're kind of aiming for. They have standard and metric. Up front here, they have the locking. This is the locking mechanism right here. You can go over. Now the head moves, or you can lock it. Nothing happens at all. It's solid, it's stationary. So when you unlock it, the head is free. Once the head is free, this front jaw right here, the forward jaw, will actually move. So I'll show you how that works here. So it's unlocked now, and that forward jaw just comes out. So when you're ratcheting around something, this forward jaw right here is gonna loosen, come out, and then snap back in on the next flat of the hex bolt or square bolt or whatever you have there. It's obviously not gonna work on a 12-point or something like that, I don't think. But the next hex is gonna snap right back in. It's gonna lock in place. That gives it the ratcheting mechanism part of it. So like I said, I've been using this, and if you've been watching any of my Instagram stories, you'll see me use this for the past few months, or past month, sorry. And I show you guys every time I've about used it, and it's great. Like I said, the one negative is I wish it came with more sizes. My next negative I have for this thing, and I really wouldn't consider it a negative, it was just a learning curve for me. When you're ratcheting, there's sometimes like I'll get 2 or 3 out of it, and then I'll be going too quick, like I'll just be trying to turn the crap out of it, and the jaw won't have time to lock. So that's about the only other negative I found on it. Besides that, when it's locked, it's just as good as any Crescent wrench I have. Now, this isn't the perfect tool. There's no such thing out there as a perfect tool. This is definitely gonna be in my toolbox from here on out, and I'm gonna continue to use this daily. A good thing about OLSA is they do have a limited lifetime warranty, so if something were to happen, I've dealt with their customer service from working with them. They're all great over there, very great at responding back, very great at sending you whatever you need help with, anything like that. They'll help you out as much as they can, and they've been there for me just about every step of the way when it comes to this thing. Coming in at $22, like $21.99, it's a heck of a deal to have in the box. For 22 bucks, you can't beat it. Also, if you use my promo code FTM10, again, that's FTM10. You get 10% off. So not only is this a cheap tool to begin with, but then you use that extra 10% off, you're getting 2 or 3 bucks off, whatever. You know, it's a great deal. It really is. I haven't really seen anything like this, but I'm just the kind of guy who walks on the tool truck, and I just kind of get what I see there, and I don't really do a lot of research on tools until I started this and kind of starting to do a lot more tool reviews. I found out a lot more about the tool world. I've been a mechanic for 8 years, and I just kind of buy whatever I see. So I'm very happy that they sent me this because this opened up my eyes to a strong product. The company makes very good tools, and like I said, there's not many negatives about this thing. The only thing, it takes a minute to get used to because you can't just go turning real fast, trying to get something off. You got to kind of take your time. When you're going up, let it lock, and then come back, going up, let it lock, and then come back. That's about the only thing. Besides that, guys, that's about it. I'd honestly give this product a very solid review. There's no chips on the finish or anything like that, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Fire Truck Mechanic. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one.